This is a demonstration of the AI page generator that you get included with this system that costs you $100 one time and pays you 100% commissions. So when you refer someone to get this system too, you get paid $100. So in this example, I'll do a sales page. You see you have all these different options of pages that you can select. And then I'd put a little bit in here about my niche or industry. I put in the colors I want right here. I put in a tone and style right here. So all these different options. In this case, I chose luxury and premium. If you want to choose a different font, you can choose a font right here. I have all these different Google fonts. You can choose different divider sections where between the sections it does kind of like this style. You see a preview of it right here. And then you just choose which sections you want on the page. So in this case, I've got a navigation header, a hero, a problem and solution, features list, a video placeholder. You've got all these other options you can do as well. And then I put a title and an open graph image that gets shared on Facebook when I post this. And then if I wanted to do all my meta tags for SEO, I could do those here as well. And then for a text prompt, you can put whatever you want there to describe your business, or you can just put the URL to your website or to competitors' websites right here. And if you wanted to add multiple URLs, you can click there to add another URL there too. Another thing you can do is you can upload an image and you could do like a mock-up that you get from ChatGPT. You could upload the image and it will completely match everything on that image as well and try to build your page from that, including the colors and all the content. But in this case, I'm just going to scrape from my home page of my website and have it build the page based on that. So now I've got everything filled out there. What I'm going to do is just click on Generate Template. Now, to build a really high quality page like this, it's going to take 3 to 4 minutes. So I will come back to this. In the meantime, I'm going to go through and show you some other things you get with this system. So right here you see this is the branding where you set your color scheme and your logo. So this is all customizable for your light mode and your dark mode. You see you can go into dark mode here as well. So you can customize all the back end to look exactly how you want. You can change all the colors. You can set your own logo. So you're not looking at my branding or someone else's branding. You're looking at your own branding every time you log in to use your own system. You got analytics. You see all the visitors in the last hour, last 24 hours, this week, this month, this year, all time. You got a chart here. It's going to show you all your emails that have been sent today, this week, this month. It's going to show you the open and click through rate. You're going to have your own lists of leads with unlimited campaigns. You can put different leads into different campaigns. You've got a CRM pipeline. So you click here on pipeline, and then you see you can drag your leads into different pipeline stages. You can set the pipeline stages up here to say whatever you want. You can choose different campaigns to see the different people in the pipeline stages. You've got appointments and a calendar, so you can schedule appointments for all your leads and you see them on your calendar. The lead activity shows you all the different pages that they visited. And then you see your AI chat history here. So you also got your AI bots, chat bots. If you go down to settings and go to AI chat bots, you see that you have the ability to generate AI chat bots. And then at the bottom of your AI chat bots, you can train your chat bots with multiple different files that you can upload to train each one of your chat bots. You can have unlimited chat bots. So you could have a different chat bot on every different page of your website if you wanted to. The other thing you have is for your email and SMS autoresponders. If you go here to autoresponders, you see you also have the ability to generate autoresponder sequences with Claude. So you could do up to 30 emails at a time. It's going to automatically generate those for you, and you can select how often you want them to send here. So what that's going to do is basically the same way you generate your pages, it's just going to write your email autoresponder sequences, as many as you want, up to 30 at a time. You can go into each email and edit those if you want to, or you can just leave those the way Claude has generated those for you. So it's going to look like you basically paid a professional copywriter to write your autoresponder sequences for you in 2 minutes. Also, you've got broadcasters, retargeters. So retargeters is when your leads come back and visit your pages again, it's going to automatically send them an email or SMS You see you've got the same thing for SMS here when they visit that page. You see that my template has now been generated, so let's go ahead and look and see how this looks. So you see it's already opened the page inside the drag and drop page builder, ready to edit. So now you can just go in and change any of the content. You see right here for this background image needs to be set. So to do that, all you do is just click on the section and then you go to background image, click on images, and you can upload a background image. Let's just find something real quick. I'll just go with this for now. So you see I've got a background image set there. Let's go ahead and change that to no repeat. We'll set this to fixed, and we'll set this to bottom center. So you see that's how you set your background images. Obviously, I'd probably want to use a different background image than this, but that's just an example for now. To set the other images, you just double click on an image and you can set any image you want there. So I'll just do an example here. Set this image. So you see it's generated a very high quality page. Just did this in just about 3 or 4 minutes. And it's just a matter of going in here and editing all of the content on the page and setting your own images. And here's a preview in the browser. So you see, not only has it built out a template, but it's also taken all of the content that was already on my site and it's put it on here perfectly. And it looks like I paid a professional copywriter to build this page for me. So it's got all the details of my business laid out here perfectly, exactly how I would want to pay a copywriter to do this for me. So I would have to pay a copywriter probably at least $1,000 to build a page like this for my business. It's generated this automatically in just a couple minutes, this amazing high quality page. So all I have to really do now is generate images with ChatGPT and go in here and replace these image placeholders with the actual images, and then it's done. So you can get this system for $100 one time, and it pays you 100% commissions. So when you refer other people to get this too, you get paid $100.